Whova is trusted for managing large conferences, supporting everything from registration to attendee engagement. But at Whova, we know that large conferences are not the only events that you host annually. Small in-person events happen in between conferences too. Think of your one-day workshops and your focused networking mixers for less than 100 attendees. These small-scale events are known as micro-events. And while they're smaller, they're not always simpler to organize. You still need a registration page, name badges, and surveys. And learning multiple platforms can turn those quick tasks into an entire week of setup. But what if you could manage everything in one place, using the same Whova tools that thousands of organizers like you already love and trust? Our community asked, so we made it happen. Introducing Whova's MicroEvents subscription, the smarter way to manage your events, all year long, big or small. By adding on MicroEvents, you get access to all of your favorite Whova tools to streamline your workflow for the entire year, including our comprehensive registration and payment system, customizable name badges, streamlined check-in, and our simplified speaker management. But just like your large conferences, your small in-person events need flexible ticketing too. With Whova's MicroEvents, you can create multiple ticket types, like early bird or members-only tickets, without the need to learn new tools or workflows. MicroEvents even makes it easier to host pre-recorded webinars or online courses, allowing you to offer multiple ticket types with different pricing, while attendees get to access your content at their own convenience. With Whova MicroEvents, every event, no matter the size, receives the same level of care and professionalism as your largest conferences. Whether you're planning a massive annual conference or a small networking event, you can find all the tools you need on a single, unified platform.